Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. I have some awesome news for you. This Sunday, December 8th at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Pacific, 10 p.m. Eastern, Sunday, December 8th, we'll be having the giveaway for all the gear that we've gathered over the pretty much the last month. Go check the different videos on my channel. They'll say giveaway prize, upcoming prize, or upcoming giveaway prize. Check out those videos to see more details on this gear. Thank you everyone so much. It's free to enter, free to participate, free to win. I'll handle all shipping costs. We will have prizes available to the international community as well as the United States only, as well as some 18 and older only prizes such as the sharp objects that are in there. So please set your reminders, 10 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, December 8th. That's this Sunday. Look forward to seeing everyone there. Live participation is required to win. I'll have a link to an entry video in the description. Go ahead and just leave a comment on that video once you enter the live stream, and that's all you got to do. And then just sit back, relax, and hope your name is pulled, and you win. So that's it. Yeah. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Reach out to me via Instagram or via my email, tacticalllamaedc@gmail.com. Thank you again for everyone, for all the support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to carry your personality. Have a good one.